If you have a stuck CV joint and a hammer won't move it, and even a CV joint removal tool fails, it's time to remove the balls from the cage. Lock the shaft in a vise and cut here. A Dremel works well because it's small enough to get into the cage. Once you've cut through, hit it here and break away the metal. Now push the joint up and down and the ball will come out. Rotate the joint and repeat on the next one. Cut here just like before. If the metal doesn't snap off this time, cut the opposite side as well. Then remove the ball. If it still won't come out, remove a little more material, grind it back, cut away the metal, and the ball should come out clean. Repeat this process for the remaining balls. If a ball is stubborn, use a pick to help work it free. By the time the third one is out, you'll find the cage starts collapsing and one may even pop out on its own. If not, continue cutting them out. On to the last one. And with that out, all 6 balls are removed. Now, give the joint a firm pull to release it. Use a pry tool if needed. And now the CV joint is off, but we still need to remove the inner race. After wiping the grease away, I find the problem. The circlip has expanded too far and it's stopping the joint from releasing. I pick it off with a screwdriver, but the race still won't move. The spline teeth are standing proud, so I carefully file them down and knock the inner race off with a hammer. A final file of the splines and a quick check to make sure the CV joint still fits fine completes the repair. If you found value in this video, subscribe and I'll make more content like this.